Welcome to our quick dive into one of the largest and most fascinating countries in the world's Russia. Russia spans across 11 time zones and stretches from Europe to Asia. It's the largest country in the world, covering over 17 million square kilometers, and is home to a wide range of diverse landscapes. From the icy Siberian tundra to the beautiful Ural Mountains, Russia's history is rich and complex. From the mighty Tsars of the past to the Soviet Union, and today, the Russian Federation. With centuries of monarchy, revolution, and transformation, Russia continues to shape the world's political and cultural landscape. Russia is renowned for its vibrant culture, including world-class ballet, literature, and music. From Tolstoy to Tchaikovsky, Russia has produced some of the greatest cultural icons. And let's not forget Russian cuisine, with dishes like borscht, pirojki, and blini. Russia boasts one of the world's largest economies, largely fueled by its abundant natural resources like oil, gas, and minerals. The country is a key player in global energy markets and continues to develop in various sectors, from technology to manufacturing. From the grandeur of Moscow's Red Square to the historic canals of St. Petersburg, Russia offers countless experiences for travelers. Explore ancient cities, enjoy its breathtaking natural wonders, or immerse yourself in the unique culture of this vast nation. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or adventure, Russia has something. Russia isn't just known for its size and history, it's also making strides in modern healthcare with advanced hospitals and medical research. The tech sector is growing rapidly, especially in cities like Moscow and Novosibirsk, with a surge in IT startups and innovation hubs. While natural resources remain the backbone of the economy, sectors like agriculture, defense, and software development play key roles too. And with one of the most extensive railway networks in the world, including the iconic Trans-Siberian Railway, Russia is well connected across its vast expanse, blending tradition with progress.